Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for Adobe Error Code 12065. The error reads, "This is likely an issue at our end, but it could be that you're not connected to the internet. Please check your internet connection and then try again later." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to access or use Adobe Creative Cloud apps such as Photoshop or Illustrator. It mainly appears during loading or when opening the apps. According to our research, the error may happen because of leftover files from a previous Adobe version, an issue with the host file, or a fraudulent registration key still installed. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to run the CC Cleaner tool. This tool helps remove leftover stuff from any previous Adobe version. Simply visit the provided Adobe page, download the CC Cleaner tool, run it, and let it clean your system. Then check if the error still comes. If the error persists, then look for the hosts file under C Windows System 32 drivers, etc. Then open the folder and check the hosts file. At last, if nothing helps, then this most likely means that some fraudulent registration key is still installed. Make sure you only install legal and authentic Adobe software. If you are using the authentic software, then contact Adobe support. If you are using software under your workplace, then contact your workplace admin. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.